Go. Shoot it, E. Uh-oh. Shoot it. Coming right for you. Coming right for you. Oh, it's going to get you. Oh, he got it. It's going to get you, man. That was hardcore. Hold on.
15.
All right, go. Uh-oh, get it before it goes away. It's peacing out, dog. Better run over there. It's not going to stop. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, shoot. Get it, E. Oh, you got him.
Got him.
Whew. That was
hard.
close.
It was losing altitude too.
Yeah. It's running out of juice.
That was close.
That was a good one, huh?
It only gives us like, what, 15 seconds to get it down?
Yeah. So this time I think maybe do it a little bit, move this down a couple notches even. See if that makes it go straighter, because I noticed it started going left again.
Alright, so what should I do?
So move this down a couple times. That's good.
That was
Yeah.
close.
Now it should go straight. Yeah. Now this time it should go straight again.
After this
Try to-
side, I think the tri-tip's done. I can't smell
Yeah.
it anymore.
Try to do it in between the trees so you don't get it.
I think the tri-tip's done. I don't smell it anymore.
Yeah, that's inside.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Shoot it. Oh, shoot it. Oh, it's gonna hit my car. Oh. Got it.